Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Narito na naman tayo sa isang video. Is the Epson L120 printer. What you're seeing now is its power brick. This is the power supply. This supplies the power to the entire system. You plug in the power cable here, just like this, and then the rest of it will come out here, and it will feed the printer's motherboard, which is here. Now, the problem with this printer is that the power supply simply died because I think there's some form of short circuit. Kasi if you look closely, this is very dirty and it stinks too. So I think this is a cockroach pee or whatever that caused the printer's power supply to be moist inside and caused a short circuit. Anyway, I'm just going to teach you how to replace this thing. The first thing that we're going to do is to take off the screw at the back of the printer. This is it. Now this one houses the waste ink pad. So upon removing the screw, you just slide the tray. This tray at the bottom. This one holds the tray at the bottom here, and then slide it to the right. As you see, if I slide after I slide it to the right, the screw hole. Then after sliding to the right, you can just take off the tray like this. Take it from the bottom. There's no general way of doing this because sometimes this thing is really pesky. Very stubborn. But you can just, yeah, that's it. You see it? Okay, so we just remove it. So from what I see, it has a brand new pad. Okay, so we remove the waste ink. So we can now flip this thing over like this. Yeah, there you see. So if you see at the bottom, this is the power brick that we are going to remove. So all you have to do is to jam some flathead screwdriver here, or this side, and then you're going to pry it out like that. Yeah, there it is. Here comes the working power brick. So this one can also be removed, but I will choose not to. Now you can just pull the power brick here. There's the connector here. Unfortunately, you were not able to see it. Anyway, and here goes the power brick. So it went out. That's the connector. This is the power brick. Yeah. Then you're gonna put the working power brick just like that. Okay, so there you go. And then I'm gonna put the working power brick here. All you have to do is to put this slot of the power brick to the connector here. So you must align the holes of the connectors with the holes of that one. So there's a guide there. There's a notch. There's a guide protruding plastic there, and there's also a canal there. So it's a key. So just follow the key. So this one will be at the bottom. So your power brick will go like this. See that? Alright, so just put it in like that. If you see it's going in, and you push it against the printer, and there it goes. Now so gently guide the wire inside. It is. And then press the connector again to the power brick, just in case it was pulled during the process of putting back this one. And position it there. Then after that, all you have to do is to push this side, and there it is. After a loud bang, your power brick is there inside the printer. Okay, so before you put anything else, if this is full of ink, this is also the right time for you to replace the foam. This is the waste ink pad tray foam. This is what absorbs your waste ink. Now if this is full of ink, you have two options. You can replace the foam right away, or you can wash this foam so that the waste ink will go back to the disposal, whatever. Go dispose to the environment, and this one will be good to go. Since this one, it looks like it's newly changed, I will just return it to the printer and expect the printer to start working again. Okay, now to return it, you just push it to its slot like that, and then you're going to slide the tray to the left, and the screw holes will align. Let's slide this tray now. Okay, so that's it. So by now the screw holes will be aligned, as you see. So it's now aligned. So let's return the screw. There it is. The printer shall be working now. Now the next thing to do is to test the printer if it now works. If it doesn't work, then the motherboard is fried, but hopefully it works. Oh, it turns on. You see? Works. It works like a charm. Now let's print one more time. It's done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.